Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a very common issue that many photographers face: dull, washed out images caused by haze or fog. If you have ever taken a beautiful landscape shot only to find it ruined by a lack of contrast and that annoying gray mask, this video is for you. In today's guide, I am going to show you how to remove haze or fog in Adobe Photoshop using 3 professional techniques. These methods will help you make your images pop with clarity and detail in just a few minutes. Before we dive into the steps, if this tutorial helps you get better results with your photography, please hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let's get started with our first and most effective method. First, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. Once your layer is ready, go to the top menu bar, select Filter, and then click on Camera Raw Filter. This will open a dedicated workspace. In the panel on the right, look for the Basic tab. Here, you will find the Dehaze slider. Simply move the Dehaze slider to the right toward the plus sign to watch the fog lift in real time. To refine the look further, you should also slightly increase the clarity and contrast sliders. Optionally, you can nudge the texture slider up to bring out latent detail. Just a pro tip here: do not push the Dehaze slider too far, or the image might start to look artificial or overly processed, so keep your adjustments subtle. When you are happy, click OK. If you want a faster, non-destructive fix using adjustments, let's try the second method using levels. Go to Image in the main menu, hover over Adjustments, and select Levels, or simply press Ctrl+L on your keyboard. In the histogram that appears, move the black slider slightly to the right to reclaim your dark points and boost contrast. Then adjust the mid-tone slider to restore the finer details lost in the fog. It's a quick and efficient way to cut through that faded look. Finally, for those who want total control, let's look at the third method, which uses curves. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Curves, or hit Ctrl+M. You want to create a gentle S-curve here. Pull your shadows down slightly and nudge your highlights up. This adjustment increases the global contrast and effectively pushes the haze into the background, making your subject stand out much more than before. Play around with the curve until the image looks sharp and clean. These 3 methods are game changers for any editor. If you found these techniques useful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you do not miss our future professional editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.